What's up guys, welcome to Just Know It. Now today we are going to learn how to create a Payoneer account. Those of you who have challenges with PayPal and then you would like to move away from PayPal, Payoneer is another option for you. Payoneer is legit in Ghana. You don't need to use any backdoor unlike PayPal to be able to get Payoneer accounts. All that you have to do is to create your account. And it's so simple. Let's get into my phone and then I'll show you how to create one for yourself. Alright guys, so all that you have to do is to get to Google and then just type Payoneer, okay? And then you can see the website from here. No time to waste, just click on sign up and earn. From here you have to choose whether you're a freelancer or SMB, or you're an online seller, you're an affiliate marketer, or you're an individual. Most of us are individuals, you know, like we're on ourselves. You don't have like a registered business to receive funds. So I'm just gonna go with individual. And what are you looking to do on Payoneer? All right, first is get paid by international clients or markets, send and receive money between friends and family, and then the last one is order a prepaid card. All right, so I'm just gonna go with the first one, get paid, you know. So I'm just going to register, click on register now to proceed to the next stage. All right, now individual, we already chose that. What you have to do is to enter your first name, Albert here, then your last name, Owusu, okay, then your email address. All right. Alright, now you have to choose your date of birth. Guys, don't lie. Most of you like telling lies. Just put your date of birth there, okay? I'm not a robot. And then they're asking us to select both. All selected, verify. Alright. Then we click to the next stage. Country is Ghana, street number, I'm going to use my digital address. All right, so for the street number, all right, now city is Accra, postal or zip code. A lot of you guys make mistakes here. Anytime you're filling an online form, the postal or zip code is not +233, guys. Just pick your digital address. So the postal code is the first 2 letters together with the first 4 numbers on your digital address. So mine is JW West 1042. All right, and that's my postal address. Now phone number. All right guys, so you just have to hit done and then send the verification code. We are just asking them to send the verification code to our phone number just to confirm. All right, so we just received it, 957486. okay, so 957486. I'm just gonna hit next. So we have to create a password for our account. Okay, so I'm just gonna create this password here. Now you have to choose a security question and then choose the answer. Okay, so here, and then your ID details. All right, so I'm just going to use my national ID, and so I have my Ghana card here, which I'm just going to enter the numbers, guys, and I just have to hit on I'm not a robot. It's asking me to select the traffic light here. I'll just say verify stairs. Okay, verify, please fill a valid ID. Okay, I'm sure it's because of the hyphen, that's why that's happening like that. All right guys, so at this step we have to add our bank details. All right, now so for the bank name, I'm with Fidelity, so you just say Fidelity. Right, then account holder, that's my name, Albert Owusu. Then you have to enter your account number. All right, now guys, for the Swift code, what you are going to do is to just open another tab, okay, and then search for Swift bank codes in Ghana, and just search for that. and like you can see, all the Swift codes for Ghana, the banks in Ghana has appeared. So I'm just going to look for that of Fidelity. They are in alphabetical order, so just go A, B, C, E, F. All right, of course it's here, and I'm just going to copy it like so. Just copy it and then just come and paste, and then I'll just paste it. Okay, finally I have to just agree to the terms and conditions, agree to pricing and fees. All right, and then I'm just gonna hit on submit. All right guys, so that's all to creating a Payoneer account. What Payoneer is going to do is that Payoneer is going to review whatever information that you've put there, the bank account information, your national ID, and all the information that you put out there. Payoneer is going to review it, and then once you are done, you are good to go. All right guys, so this is the official Payoneer account that we created, and as you can see now, I don't have anything here, but just stay tuned. I'll show you how to make some cool cash in this Payoneer account. Subscribe, and then let's get into it.